After building one of the fastest cycling competition shotguns ever to the greatest of all time's demanding specs, you knew the world would want a model designed specifically for birds. Introducing the 940 Pro Waterfowl, the ultimate in durability on an already proven platform. Note the rugged ready features and the intuitive cold weather design that even accommodates a gloved hand. Now, check out what the 940 Pro Waterfowl is capable of at both the range and in the field. Snow goose hunters, with 13 rounds on board and at the ready, this shotgun's all about serious management. The all-new Mossberg 940 Pro Waterfowl. Rugged, reliable, and trusted by the man himself.
Benelli's 828U Sport is a serious over-under shotgun packed with innovative features to give clay shooters the advantage. Benelli engineers designed this shotgun to provide all the features competition shooters desire in a firearm and to improve the longevity of the over-under platform. Serious clay shooters invest many hours and shoot thousands of shells to maintain an edge. Until now, the weak point of break-action shotgun design was the hinge and locking system. High-volume shooters often must replace the hinges on their shotguns every 25,000 rounds or so. Benelli eliminates this problem with the 828U Sport's exclusive lock plate system. Engineered for a lifetime of shooting, it's incredibly durable, reliably locks tight, and never needs replacing. Balance, fit, and feel are essential to success. The 828U Sport delivers with superior state-of-the-art ergonomics. Benelli's perfect-fitting shim system can adjust the shotgun's drop and cast to one of more than 40 variations. This fits the shotgun precisely to you for fast, instinctive pointing and pinpoint accuracy. Benelli's progressive balancing system incorporates a series of tungsten weights in the stock, allowing you to customize the 828U Sport's center balance point. No other competition gun offers this level of adjustability out of the box. The 828U Sport's innovation also includes a detachable sporting trigger group. The entire trigger assembly can be removed in seconds for easy cleaning and maintenance. And the trigger itself adjusts fore and aft in 2mm increments, allowing precise trigger placement for your finger length. You can get on target fast with the 828U Sport's 10mm wide anti-glare carbon fiber ventilated rib. Its central aiming groove and white sight instantly guide your eye to the target. 5 extended sporting chokes deliver consistent patterns and are knurled for fast changes at the range. If you're ready to take your game to the next level, select a Benelli 828U Sport shotgun. Because in competitions where winners are often determined by a single clay, the 828U Sport from Benelli has what you need to dust them all. Benelli's 828U Sport, simply perfect.
The CZ Redhead Premier. The flagship shotgun in the CZ over-under line, the Redhead Premier is a true all-purpose shotgun. With a one-piece CNC'd action and hand-engraved details, it's a great combination of modern technology and old-world craftsmanship. Not just available in 12-gauge, the Redhead Premier can be had in 20, 28, and 410 full-size variants as well as a youth-sized 20-gauge. Whether you're spending all day on the sporting clays course or chasing chucker in the mountains, the Redhead Premier will take it all in stride.
Affinity 3 Black Synth e Affinity 3 Max 5 Sono i semiautomatici Magnum di Franchi, ideali per vivere un'esperienza di caccia senza compromessi. Nati per resistere alle condizioni meteorologiche più avverse, hanno calcio e asta in tecnopolimero, carcassa in lega leggera Ergal e funzionamento front inertia, affidabile e semplice da pulire. Affinity 3 Black Synth è un fucile tutta caccia, disponibile anche nella versione LH per mancini. La versione Affinity 3 Max 5 è nata invece per la caccia in ambiente lagunare o palustre e, grazie agli schemi mimetici del camo, rende il fucile invisibile all'acuta vista degli acquatici. Essenziali e senza fronzoli. Sono fucili ideali sia per il cacciatore esperto che per il giovane fresco di licenza. Infatti, grazie allo studio delle abitudini di sparo condotto dalla piattaforma di sviluppo Evolved Ergonomics, le forme dell'Affinity 3 sono super ergonomiche e rendono il fucile l'estensione naturale del braccio del cacciatore. Bottone rilascio otturatore, manetta e finestra di caricamento sono maggiorati e ancora più funzionali in tutte le condizioni. Il calcio è regolabile in piega e deviazione, con piastrini in dotazione e, grazie al calciolo TSA Recoil Pad intercambiabile, riduce la sensazione di rinculo fino al 50%. Affinity 3 Black Synth e Affinity 3 Max 5 sono disponibili in calibro 12 e 20, con bindella flat e la possibilità di richiedere la bindella step in specifiche lunghezze di canna. Come ogni Franchi, godono di 7 anni di garanzia sulle parti meccaniche.
As the choice of waterfowlers from Canada to Argentina, the Super Black Eagle II is a proven performer in even the harshest conditions. Whether you're shooting field loads at doves or magnum shells at the world's largest geese, the Super Black Eagle II's inertia-driven system will cycle the rounds as fast as you can pull the trigger. Along with proven dependability, the Super Black Eagle II with Comfort Tech is also the softest kicking shotgun ever designed. The Comfort Tech stock has 11 soft, vibration-absorbing dampeners, a comb insert used to cushion the shooter's cheek, and a totally unique gel pad designed to fit the human shoulder pocket and spread recoil over the widest area possible. Add to that the cryogenically treated barrel and choke tubes that are proven to put more shot on target, and you have the lightest, fastest, and softest kicking shotgun ever made.